this hair was sent to me from SAMSBEAUTY.com. Let's jump straight into the installation and pros and cons of this hair. So first and foremost, I did not need the rubber bands because when I actually used the crochet hair, when I guess interlocked it, it just made it extra tight. It's my first time. I'm not a crochet guru, so the next time I do a style like this, I'm definitely not going to use the rubber bands because it was no need to. So the con is this hair is very kinky and very dry. So I was having such a hard time doing this hair, okay? So SAMSBEAUTY sent me over 3 packs of this hair, and when I first got it, I was like, oh, I'm definitely not going to use all 3 because so much hair comes in 1 pack, right? Cool, I'm thinking I'm gonna have hair left over. Sis, no. I got probably like 4 or 5 strands left of the 3rd pack. So, and honestly, I wanna say I wasted a good majority of the hair because it just kept getting so tangled as I was twisting it. And of course, the way my brain operates, right? By the time I got to the middle, I'm like, why don't I use some moisture so the hair won't get as tangled? So I did do that in the middle and towards the back. I did use some of my, just like regular twisting cream, and it just made it a lot easier. Granted, it still did get tangled, but it was a lot more easier to work with once you add some moisture to the hair. I mean, I think I did a pretty good job for my first time installing crochet hair, and I just love the twist. I just love the fact that it just looks so natural. I love the texture. I love the texture. But this is a cute length. Like, don't get me wrong, I want to say this is probably like 16, 18 inches. However, I do wish that this hair was longer. I feel like it would just give me a lot more life if this crochet hair was a lot longer. But other than that, you guys, this is super cute. So far, I've had this hair in I installed this hair on Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Friday. So I had this hair in about 4 days right now, and this is how it's looking. Yeah, and I really, honestly, I feel like I did a pretty decent job. Of course, I will leave a full description of this hair down below, as well as a link where you guys can check this hair out. And of course, I'll see you guys back in the next one.